Ripple XRP, so Swift are setting the stage. Now I have actually found a video that was made by Swift, and I do believe that it was released just recently, and so we're going to take a look at that. Also, we know that Ripple was the first member of this, and I'm going to be showing you what they were the first member of. We have a new collaboration and partnership. It's a pretty big one, and the president has also made some massive comments on that. Of course, we will be having a look at the price action of XRP coin today. So all I ask from you are two things, which is to smash that like button and to subscribe to the channel as well. So the first bit of news that we have coming in from here is from XRP drops, and we have a video by Swift talking about the fact that we need to be moving and evolving, of course, in this ever-changing space, which means that we need fast settlement times and faster clearing times as well, because we can't be waiting a couple of business days. But before I show you this video from Swift, I want to show you this post that we have. So Ripple was the first ISO 20022 member focused on the blockchain and DLT. So we have over here that it is evolving to meet the new global standard, which should be happening in 2025. So we have that the world is converging on a new global standard and stepping into the future with this. And as the first member focused on blockchain and DLT, Ripple is evolving to meet the needs of our customers with this powerful standard for the world's cross-border payment flows. And so is this really important? Because you could say that there are many other networks out there that also meet the standards as well. I think Algorand is one of them, and I think that we also have Stellar XLM. And so yes, you could potentially say that this doesn't matter, but the fact that it was identified to be the first member of the standard goes to show just how far Ripple has actually come as a company and also with their network in general. And we do have the XRP ledger, in which they did drop an exciting collaboration. We'll talk more about that, but still, once we have this standard actually being integrated, we do have a Ripple app being at play over here. So let's first watch this video that was made by Swift.
Our world is changing fast. And with this comes the need to keep pace. To create, evolve, and deliver solutions that meet our customers' needs and improve their lives. At Swift, we're collaborating with the brightest minds to make transactions faster, smarter, better.
And so when they say that they're collaborating with the brightest minds, you would probably think of people, but they would also be collaborating with companies. And so Ripple is obviously going to be one of them, right? I mean, we have Ripple being a task force member as part of the Bank of International Settlements, and we do know that Swift is also a task force member there, and so of course their paths are going to be crossing, and that is how we will be having that association between both Swift and Ripple. As of yet, we don't have a collaboration between these two entities, but I do think that there is some sort of potential for something to come down further the line.
Because we believe some challenges are meant to be solved together. With our community, we're reimagining what we can achieve through innovation. Investing in a new AI platform that will power the creation of smarter solutions, like real-time anomaly detection to validate transactions before they're sent. We're reaching into the world of central bank digital currencies to reduce fragmentation.
And having the feature of being able to validate transactions before they are sent means that you are able to know whether it was sent or not, and obviously you're then able to minimize your errors and whether or not the payment was cleared.
Connect up technologies and enable new possibilities for sending digital money across borders. And we're guiding securities players through the emerging world of tokenized assets, increasing the speed and efficiency of post-trade processing to help a new market grow. These innovations will help our community adapt to finance's ebbs and flows.
And so tokenization is literally going to be like how you use the crypto market or even the stock market as well. It's so you can buy assets, but you can also trade them too, and you should be able to do that in an easy and timely fashion, and much faster than if we didn't have tokenization.
Not just to stay afloat, but to thrive and lead both today and in the future. But we're not embarking on this journey alone. We're encouraging our community to join us too, to innovate with us and be part of shaping the future of finance. Faster, smarter, better.
very good promotional video that we have coming from Swift, and we know that their goals is to make it faster, much more efficient, and of course obviously make it much cheaper too. I mean, it won't be as cheap compared with your DLTs because those fees are basically within the 0.001 range, and so I don't think that we'll be able to compete with them unless they are able to scale it on that level. Just before I look at the price action for today for XRP coin, I just wanted to show you this piece of news that came out. It is the fact that BlackRock has now launched a Bitcoin spot ETF in Brazil. Now, I'm not quite sure if it's just the application or if they've confirmed it. I'm assuming that they are going through the process. But if we have a look at the article, you can see over here that BlackRock has launched that spot Bitcoin ETF in Brazil. And apparently it has expanded trading on its iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF just 7 weeks after gaining the approval with what we saw from the US. And so now it seems like as if it is ready for trading. And over here it says that this is another opportunity for investors to include exposure to Bitcoin in their portfolios. And when we speak about the South Americas as well, I do think that they are pro Bitcoin because obviously their currency is declining, and with inflation over there it makes sense to trade in crypto. So if you have a look at the price action today for XRP coin, we are currently trading at 0.5949. We are down by 2.53% on the 1-day chart. For the volume, we are down by 46%, and we are trading at $1.9 billion. And so early on today, we were trading at 0.5898. The lowest that we took for the day was 0.5874. Now, on the 7-day chart, we are up by 10.26%. So we are still pretty much in the green. At the start of the week, we traded at 0.5419. Then we did take a dip to 0.5299. So we came below 53 cents. And then we went up to 59 cents, 0.5913. But you can see we had this massive cliff off from 60 cents all of the way to 0.5552. We were able to climb back up again, and we actually hit 61 cents, 0.6158. So my next price target for XRP coin is 65 cents in the near future, so that's the short term. However, if we do see a retracement, we could potentially be coming back to the 55 cent mark. But let's see if we're actually able to hold within that 55 cent range. And on the 1 month chart, we are up by 16.97%. And again, the past 2 weeks, we've had much better performance in February than we actually did in January. So I'll definitely be keeping an eye on XRP and where the price will go in the next couple of days. So let's take a look at the price of Stellar XLM coin. We are currently trading at 0.125, so that is in the later part of the day. We are down by 0.3% on the 1-day chart. And if we have a look at the early hours of the morning, we were trading at 0.123. So we are still within that 12 cent range, which is pretty good. Now we've been able to hit the mid-range of 12 cents. And what a week it has been for Stellar XLM. I mean, we are up by 9.2%. We were trading at 0.115 at the start of the week, and then we remained there pretty much on the 26th of February. Now we were able to climb up all the way to 0.124. We did take this dip to 0.117, but we were able to confidently climb back up again to 0.125. And on the 1 month chart, we are up by a whopping 12.7%. My next price target for Stellar XLM is 15 cents if we are able to go towards the upside. However, if we do see a bit of a retracement, and especially if we see a bit more of a bearish sentiment, we could potentially be coming back below that 11 cent level and towards the 10.8 range. But still pretty good performance for Stellar XLM. And you'll see over here on the 20th of October, just last year, we were trading at 0.109. So pretty much we have made a 1.1 cent move from where we were back then. Guys, if you want daily Ripple XRP and Stellar XLM coin news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.